Hyundai has unveiled the highly anticipated 2025 Hyundai Creta Electric Vehicle at the Auto Expo 2025, marking a major step in its electric vehicle journey. This all-electric sport utility vehicle promises to shake up the Indian automotive market with a combination of affordability and advanced features. The Creta electric vehicle offers two battery options, a 51.4 kilowatt-hour pack with an impressive driving range of 472 kilometers and a 42 kilowatt-hour pack delivering 390 kilometers per charge. The larger battery produces 168 brake horsepower and 255 newton meters of torque, paired with three driving modes, Eco, Normal, and Sports, for a personalized driving experience. Hyundai boasts that the Creta electric vehicle can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 7.9 seconds, merging sustainability with thrilling performance.
Namaste. And a very good afternoon. I warmly welcome all the distinguished guests, media friends, my dear colleagues and friends of Hyundai. Today is special. Today is electrifying. Today we stand at the threshold of the new era. Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 represents the future of mobility and the might of India. And the Hyundai Motor India Limited stands right at its forefront. Hyundai Creta brand is a power brand. Since its launch in 2015, Hyundai Creta has become a true icon, redefining the SUV segment in India. Today, we honor this legacy by introducing our first indigenous electric vehicle, Hyundai Creta Electric, embodying Hyundai Motors' global vision of progress for humanity. Powered by locally assembled battery packs from the state-of-the-art battery assembly plant in Chennai, India, we embrace Made in India. Creta Electric is more than just an SUV. It packs innovative technology, uncompromising safety, unmatched comfort, and electrifying performance while offering sustainable driving experience. Over the last few years, we have followed a top-down approach to our EV strategy. To add its existing laurels, Hyundai Ioniq 5 recently created history by setting the Guinness World Record for the highest altitude change by an electric car, a prestigious title indeed. We are building a robust EV ecosystem to encourage wider EV adoption with a plan to set up 600 public fast charging stations across India and in the next 7 years, out of which over 50 stations have already been set up across key cities and the national highways. Additionally, the My App, Hyundai app, empower users with access to over 10,000 EV charging points across the country. Our vision extends well into the future. In India, HMIL provides tailored solutions for diverse Indian customers, from petrol, diesel, and CNG to electric mobility. Hyundai is ready for the present and the future, with in-house capability to produce all powertrain options. To get a glimpse into the future mobility, to explore the Hyundai booth today, housing electric mobility solutions, global showstoppers products, and a very special localization zone towards building a Atmanirbhar Bharat. As we embark on this journey, we are confident that Hyundai Creta Electric will inspire a new generation of sustainable mobility solutions. Undisputed, ultimate, now electric, the one and only Hyundai Creta Electric. Thank you, Dhanyavad.
Well, thank you so much, sir. That truly was very enlightening to hear of Hyundai's visionary plans for the next generation of mobility. And I'm sure we're all really, really excited to look forward to that, right? Well, one more time, ladies and gentlemen, come on. Let's give it up for Mr. Ansu Kim. All right. Well, Hyundai Creta, a category leader for over a decade, a symbol of excellence in the SUV landscape. It is a brand that has been made by the love of millions of Indians, and it has evolved into something truly extraordinary. So come, to give us all these electric details, ladies and gentlemen, it is my genuine privilege to now invite upon Mr. Tarun Garg, Whole-Time Director and Chief Operating Officer, Hyundai Motor India Limited. A very, very warm welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is truly a pleasure to see you all today. The energy here is evident, and it is easy to see why. Today marks an extraordinary milestone in HMIL's journey. Hyundai Creta has captured the hearts of millions of Indians and evolved as a trusted companion on countless journeys while creating cherished memories. A truly iconic brand in Indian auto landscape. Creta has been a segment leader for almost a decade now. Over these years, it has evolved to be truly undisputed, ultimate. Today, we stand at the threshold of a new era. An era that takes the Indian SUV game to the next level. I'm beyond excited and happy to inform you that electric is now Creta. But you might ask, why now? The answer, ladies and gentlemen, lies in the rise of our Bharat. Quoting from Shah Rukh's message in our announcement film, and I quote, "Because in our journey to lead, we refuse to stop, and we can go on, and also because now we look up with pride." The shift to electric mobility is happening right before our eyes. This amazing SUV will present countless opportunities that truly evolve the future of driving, an array of new age features and their possibilities. Let us take a closer look at how this SUV will drive an EV revolution in 2025 and beyond. The exceptionally strong product attributes of the Hyundai Creta Electric are broadly categorized under 6 key pillars based on Evolve. Hyundai Creta Electric blends the iconic SUV character with innovative design and advanced technologies, creating an unmistakable identity. It proudly highlights Hyundai's global pixelated design theme, born from the fusion of modern aesthetics and forward-thinking design. The Creta Electric is also intelligent. The innovative active air flaps improve aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. Additionally, the charging port integrated with a multicolor surround light and state of charge indicator allows you to conveniently track the charging status. Step inside a world where a vibrant interior blends modern human-centric design with advanced technologies. The dual curvilinear screens create an immersive virtual cockpit experience, enhancing the high-tech appeal. Crafted from nature, the floating console with a soothing ocean blue surround ambient lighting presents a calm cabin atmosphere, while the plush eco-friendly seat upholstery is made from sustainable materials, including corn extracts and recycled plastic bottles. Creta Electric comes with a long wheelbase of 2610 mm, offering generous knee and leg room. The sense of openness in the cabin is accentuated by ample shoulder room and a large DLO area. Moreover, the luxury of space is complemented by premium features like 8-way powered front seats, powered driver seat with memory function, and powered passenger seat walk-in device. The expansive cabin is as inviting, offering easy ingress and egress, ideal for the entire family. Meeting the diverse lifestyle needs, Hyundai Creta Electric offers a spacious 433 liters boot space and an additional 22 liters trunk. Inside the cabin, thoughtful utility solutions such as open console storage with lamp and seat back table with IT device holder ensure convenience for all occupants. Hyundai Creta Electric is packed with smart technology solutions such as advanced digital cockpit featuring standard 10.25-inch digital cluster and 10.25-inch infotainment screen. For an immersive, theater-like sound experience, Creta Electric comes with Bose Premium Sound 8-speaker system and JioSaavn app offering seamless music access on the go. Further, Creta Electric comes with Hyundai BlueLink, advanced connected car technology with more than 70 features and embedded voice commands that work even without internet for a faster response. Elevating the hassle-free user experience, Creta Electric comes with numerous thoughtful convenience features such as ADAS-linked regenerative braking, digital key, dual-zone temperature control, and industry-first in-car payment for EV charging with access to more than 1,150 EV chargers across the country. With this, we take a leap forward towards the future of car as a payment platform. Creta Electric is more than just an SUV. It is your portable powerhouse. With vehicle to load inside and outside, you can charge your laptops and tablets inside the car while traveling or power your outdoor gears while glamping in the wild. From city streets to rugged terrains, Creta Electric is designed to dominate with instant torque delivery, providing an adrenaline-pumping response at the push of the pedal. Its powerful electric motor gives instant torque of 255 Nm and generates enormous power of 171 PS, which delivers thrilling acceleration from 0 to 100 kmph in just 7.9 seconds. With an impressive range of up to 473 km, you can now embark on longer journeys without any range anxiety. Hyundai Creta Electric is built to embrace every corner of our Bharat, from the scorching heat of Rajasthan to the snow-clad roads of Ladakh. With a battery heater ensuring peak performance even in extreme cold temperatures up to minus 35 degrees Celsius, Creta Electric delivers unwavering reliability in every environment. And to guarantee absolute confidence on every journey, we have subjected the Hyundai Creta Electric to rigorous testing under a wide range of challenging conditions, including 420 mm water soak test, battery IP67 protection, battery drop test, and gradability test. Elevating the carefree EV experience, the game-changing 11 kilowatt AC charging capability of the Creta Electric enables quick home charging from 10% to 100% in just 4 hours. Additionally, the smart connected wall box charger can be remotely controlled to set charging schedules, monitor charging sessions, or limit charging for enhanced convenience. And on long road trips, Creta Electric supports fast DC charging from 10% to 80% in just 58 minutes with a 50 kilowatt DC charger. Friends, Hyundai Creta Electric comes equipped with Hyundai SmartSense cutting-edge Level 2 ADAS system that intelligently monitors the vehicle surrounding using automated sensing technology like cameras, radars, and sensors. Further, taking our mission safety for all forward, Creta Electric comes with 52 standard safety features and more than 75 advanced safety features. Friends, Creta Electric is the perfect amalgamation of an iconic brand, HMC's global EV technology, India-centric innovations, and the trust of HMIL's vast and caring network. A true winner indeed. Now let us look at our Bharat through the eyes of the next generation, a generation that will shape our future. We take a journey into the imaginative world of a young girl where a drive in the Creta Electric transforms into a fantastical, magical experience. It is our vision of Bharat, full of promise, innovation, and endless possibilities.